Hello everybody, this is David Miazga with Dave Miazga Racing, Daffo Racing, and the Budget Pro Mod channel. A little something different today. Working on a 63 Nova, Chevy 2. Got some major issues, and here for a power steering upgrade. That's the fabrication part. Now let's check it out here. It's the front end. Oh, old school carburetor, AFB. It's the old Carter, Edo Brock AFB. I grew up on that one. It's supposed to be a 383 stroker. Could be. No power, nothing. I'm just doing a check to see what the lift is, because this gentleman bought it. Let's walk around this other side here. It's a single toy. You can see that. It's very good. It used to be a 6-cylinder car, do you believe? There's the inside of it, very nice. Yeah, it's a little dark in here, guys, sorry. But it's pretty nice. Here, see if I can't, there you go. A little bit better. Anyhow. So there you go. Little Chevy 2 back there. I don't know if you can see that. Scoot over this way here. All right, let's walk back this way. It's got a cowl hood on it, steel one. Anyhow, so I thought I'd just demonstrate a little bit of how to check your valve lift. If you don't know nothing about it, and dial indicator, and so I can get a sense of what kind of cam it's got in it, so I can sort of proceed onwards. Here, check this out. This is the exhaust valve. Oh, there we go. Now we're starting to play with fire. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, almost. Number 0 was 1. And we're at 300. We're coming up. That's about it right there. Right there. Now I'm just moving the thing. All right. Okay, so it's 480 thou. Old school stuff. So time to start pulling the motor out. So today I'm going to be pulling out this motor here. On this 63 Chevy 2 Nova. A nice day, I thought I'd pull it out to the inside. So I'll get to it. And when it's out, I'll come back at you. All right, cheers. Well, we got her out. It's out. It's out. Didn't know these are that's the front sump on a Chevy 2. They don't have a rear sump here. It's a front sump on these ones because it sits down in there, that hole there. There you go. So now next thing is to strip it down, see what it is, see what it needs, and get back to the customer. All right, this is Dave Matzka with Dave Matzka Racing, Daffo Racing, the Budget Pro channel. Peace out.